Hello guys, it's Washer Lad 2014 here. Right, this is just a quick video of my mate's Whirlpool AWO D4505. It's just a cat meowing. Yeah, funny enough, this is the exact same machine that I tested at that cafe place, you know, where I go with my autistic group, but the only difference is that this has the old Whirlpool drum. This has the old Whirlpool drum, while the one I tested has the new drum. Yeah, it is very unlevel, and it does stink. Yeah, there's the detergent drawer. Yeah, I don't know if they're getting rid of this machine or not because the pump isn't placed anywhere. Yeah, that's the inside of the machine. Looks pretty nice actually. Not too dirty considering what I've seen in the past. Also, I don't think it's plugged in because if I turn the knob, then it doesn't do anything. Yeah, and the colouring has kind of, you know, this has kind of decoloured a bit because it's gone a bit yellow. And yeah, so we can have cottons, which is 95 with pre-wash, 95, 60, 40, synthetic 60 with pre-wash, and then 60 normal, 40 and 30, delicate 30, quick wash 30, woolens 40, woolens cold, hand wash 40, hand wash 30, rinse and spin, gentle spin and drain. Options: you can have a cold wash and spin speed reduction. I think I know how to do a service cycle on these Whirlpools. I think you press drain and then you press the reset button, I think 5 times. And press the start button. But guys, hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn the notification bell so you can watch all my latest content. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.